Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to fix no DHCP server was found Windows 11. So guys, if you ever have this problem, what you could try to do is just simply restart your devices. So guys, a simple restart on your computer will mostly fix the issue, or restart your router can mostly fix the issue and make sure all of the cables on the internet and the computer are securely connected, so you won't have any issue. Now, if it still doesn't work out, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now here on the settings, go for network and internet. And now here, you just simply go for advanced network settings. Now here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, network or reset. So from here, just simply select reset now. And mostly this can fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work, you could just simply go back to advanced network settings. You would just simply go ahead and go for the Ethernet over here and just simply select disable. And now, once you have done that, you could just simply enable it back in, and mostly this kind of fix your issue. Now guys, another option is you could just simply go ahead and go for the system over here. Now, here on the system, you would just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here troubleshoot. And here on the troubleshoot, you could just simply go for other troubleshooters. And here you could just simply go find network and internet. So from here, you just simply select run. And after that, it will automatically troubleshoot your network and internet. And mostly it can fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.